Hello children. Now we are going to look at this circus picture talk, okay, and learn some new words from this circus picture talk. Okay, so now let us start from here. A band of musician. Children, these are the band of musician. I hope you remember from the collective nouns that we have learned. A group of musician is called as a band of musicians. Okay, and a band of musicians are playing instruments. Okay, they are playing different instruments. Okay, he is playing drum, he is playing trumpet, he is playing some other instrument. Okay, then next to the musician is a rough dog. RUFFDOG. Rough dog is a kind of a dog, okay, who is trying to catch a ring. Okay, who is trying to catch a ring, who is also doing some activity. Then next to the dog is this bear. Okay, and this bear is riding a tricycle. 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 Then next to the bear here is a magician. Children, magician मतलब जादूगर, जो जादू करता है. So he is also doing a magic trick. Okay, he is taking the rabbit out of a hat. Can you see that? And there are some magical things, some things related to his magic which is kept on the table. Okay. Then behind the magician is a clown. Children, clown is a joker. Okay, a clown is riding a unicycle. Unicycle is a cycle which has one wheel. Okay, and here when I spoke about the bear, he is riding a tricycle. A tricycle is a cycle which has 3 wheels. Okay, now behind the clown there is a cage. पिंजरा. केज मतलब पिंजरा. और पिंजरे में से कौन आया? Yes, a lion. Okay, here is a lion who is trying to do some activity by standing on the ball. Okay, and this person who is a ring master is training the lion. उसको train कर रहा है, lion को train कर रहा है. तो जो train करता है lion को उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ring master. Okay, उसके बाजू में एक elephant है. Okay, a big elephant. He's balancing. He's also doing some balancing activity on a ball, and the ball is not a plain ball, it's a colorful ball. Okay, next to the elephant is a horse, and on horse ये जो लड़की खड़ी है उसको बोलते हैं acrobat. Children, क्या बोलते हैं? Acrobat. Acrobat is a person who does all the gymnastic activity. जो gymnastic activity करते हैं ना, rope climbing, और जो अगर अपने रास्ते पर कभी देखा होगा तो रस्सी पर चलते हैं, है ना. तो ऐसे जो जो छलांग लगाते हैं ज़ोर से. आपने अगर ओलंपिक गेम देखा होगा, ज़ोर से छलांग लगाते हैं, तो उन लोगों को जो करतब करते हैं उनको बोलते हैं एक्रोबैट. सो सी, even she is balancing herself on the acrobat, on a horse. Sorry, she is balancing herself on a horse. Okay, and she will do some trick. She will do some gymnastic activity या gymnastic exercise करेगी. तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Acrobat. Then above the acrobat. above मतलब acrobat के ऊपर. ये क्या है? इसको बोलते हैं ट्रपीज. ओके, ये जो हैंडल दिख रहा है हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल, ये जो हैंडल दिख रहा है उसको बोलते हैं ट्रपीज. ओके, और ये ट्रपीज के ऊपर जो बैलेंसिंग करते हैं. ओके, इफ यू सी दीज 2 गर्ल्स हु आर बैलेंसिंग ऑन अ ट्रपीज आर कॉल्ड एज द ट्रपीज आर्टिस्ट. दे आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रपीज आर्टिस्ट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस and the children, and there are, you can also see people who have come to see the circus. Okay, जो लोग देखने आते हैं, जैसे कि आप मूवी थिएटर में मूवी देखने जाओगे, ओके, या फिर कुछ शो देखने जाओगे, कोई म्यूज़िकल शो देखने जाओगे, तो हु आर यू? यू आर द ऑडियंस. क्या बोलते हैं? ऑडियंस बोलते हैं. ओके, सो इवन इन द सर्कस यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ ऑडियंस. ओके, they have come to see the circus. So let us revise the word: music stand, band, rough dog, tricycle, bear, magician, clown, unicycle, cage, lion, ringmaster, elephant, ball, horse, acrobat, trapeze and trapeze artist. I hope you have understood this. Thank you, children.